Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about partial fractions. So I will put 8 over s squared, b over s, and c over 3 minus s. Because we have the power number 2, that's why we have two fractions related to s. Next, we need to do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about 3 minus s. So capital 8 multiplied by 3 minus s. About this one, it is missing about s and 3 minus s. About this one, that is about s squared. Next, we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared, we have negative b and c. About s, we have 3b minus 8. About the numbers, we have 3, 8. Now, we need to compare coefficient. We have number 1, so 3, 8 equals to number 1. This one, that is about number 1, so 3b minus 8 equals to number 1. And the last one, we don't have s squared, so this one equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of ABC. So we put ABC gone here. So we have the integration in here. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.